Greetings everyone, I'm Kenneth Salonga, student in Bped 2A, and in this video, I'll share my answers in our Activity 3 in MPE 7. So let's start. A closed-loop control system, also known as a feedback control system, is a control system which uses the concept of an open-loop system as its forward path, but has one or more feedback loops, hence its name, or paths between its output and its input. The reference to feedback simply means that some portion of the output is returned back to the input to form part of the system's excitation. Closed-loop systems are designed to automatically achieve and maintain the desired output condition by comparing it with the actual condition. It does this by generating an error signal, which is the difference between the output and the reference input. In other words, a closed-loop system is a fully automatic control system in which its control action being dependent on the output in some way. So we have four components of closed-loop control systems. So first, we have executive. When we say executive, it makes decisions about corrective actions needed. Second, we have effector. It is about carries out those decisions. Third, we have feedback. It is about information of the actual state of the system. And lastly is the comparator or the error detection mechanism. It compares expected feedback from the desired state to actual feedback from the present state and relays any difference error to the executive. So, for you to clearly understand it, let us give a child who is coloring a book as an example. A child is making a decision which is to color his book, and that is what we call executive. After making a decision, he will start doing what he wants to do. He will start coloring a book using his different crayons, and that is what we call the effector. Then after that, he will find out the result. Maybe the colors that he used are good enough, or maybe he will add some color to catch the attention of the people who will see his work. And that is what we call the feedback. And the last component is the comparator. If a child accidentally put a color on over the line or an object that he is coloring, it is considered as error. So, he will make another decision again. Maybe he will continue doing it or Repeat it from the start until he will achieve the desired color of his coloring book. So that's all for my activity 3. Thank you for listening.